मैं ट्राई करूंगा कि 1 मिनट के अंदर कि गेस कर पाओ कि ये क्या जॉब करता है। आपका नाम?
महेश बंसोड़े।
टेक्निकल नॉन टेक्निकल?
टेक्निकल।
बहुत कॉमन जॉब है। ओके, डेवलपर हो आप? ओके, तो कॉमन तो नहीं है फिर ये। उसमें कुछ कोडिंग रिलेटेड कुछ काम है उसमें?
नॉन कोडिंग।
नॉन कोडिंग। आपके क्लाइंट्स कौन है, मतलब कस्टमर कौन है?
कस्टमर्स हमारे कंपनीज होती है जनरली।
Okay.
आपको ईपीसी कंपनीज पता?
कौन सी?
ईपीसी कंपनीज लाइक दे आर द मीडिएटर्स बिटवीन टू कंपनीज।
टेक्निकल है आपका, बट टेक्निकल में आपका ऑन डेस्क है, राइट?
यस।
ऑन डेस्क है, ओके। सॉफ्टवेयर में किधर भी आपका साइकिल में नहीं आता, राइट? मतलब टेस्टिंग के अंदर ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। सपोर्ट में आप आते हो कभी?
सपोर्ट में यस यू कैन से सपोर्ट।
कस्टमर सपोर्ट आपका?
यस।
ओके, कस्टमर सपोर्ट है आपका?
नॉट रियली।
नॉट रियल कस्टमर।
यस।
ओके, टेक्निकल सपोर्ट वैसा सपोर्ट नहीं है, सपोर्ट है।
इट इज काइंड ऑफ अ नॉन टेक्निकल थिंग
ओके,
बट सपोर्टिव एज वेल, लाइक इट्स पार्शियल।
आप कोई सब्जेक्ट एक्सपर्ट हो?
यस।
ओके, सब्जेक्ट एक्सपर्ट कोई पर्टिकुलर स्किल है?
यस।
ओके, आप ऐसे ही हो बेसिकली किसी पर्टिकुलर फील्ड के लिए?
या बोल सकते हो।
ओके, लेट मी गेस द व्हिच फील्ड यू आर सब्जेक्ट एक्सपर्ट। क्या क्लाइंट से बात करते हो?
Yes. I'll give you a hint.
ओके,
I have completed my engineering, so it's kind of a technical degree you need to
Okay.
do the job.
analyst? No, no. Okay, fine. It's been 1 minute. Okay, so what's your?
Okay. So
Yeah.
so basically I am the project engineer for the company.
Okay.
It's an EPC company, like I said.
What is that?
The company I'm working for, it is Burkhardt Compression. It's a mechanical company.
Okay.
We
Okay.
produce basically compressors that
Okay.
are, and we deliver it to our customers.
Okay.
The customers are like the Reliance one.
Okay.
So there is this EPC companies, the
Okay.
small
EPC.
distributors.
Okay.
So they coordinate between the two companies,
Okay.
and that is what.
So you're a project engineer.
Yes.
Okay. Subject matter expert also we can say
Yes.
because you are the specific person for that.
Yes.
Okay. And how much you're working there?
I'm working like for 7 years.
So do you like the job basically?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And like what's your working hours there?
It's basically 9 to 5 job.
Okay.
But since it's an European,
Can you come somewhere here? Like
yes,
yeah.
since it's based on a European company,
Okay.
so we have the flexibility of hours.
Okay.
So yeah.
So you have work from home?
Yes. I have 3 days work from home and 2 days in office.
If someone want to go in that field basically, so you're working 7 years in the same company.
Yes, 5 years in the same company and 2 years the other company.
So like what is the initial role of yours?
Basically, I would say generally companies they are the mechanical companies. Okay,
Yeah.
so these mechanical companies go to the engineering colleges and they take the students
Okay.
in the first rounds,
Hmm.
and that is how you get selected. You train for a year. They train it in all the fields, like there is designing,
Okay.
non-technical things as well as technical things,
Okay.
and then they based on the performance of 1 year they evaluate and they put you in the suitable criteria.
Okay.
So that is you can do it.
Okay.
If you are already have some experience,
Hmm.
you can directly apply
Hmm.
and you will have that job.
Okay, so you got on campus first
Yes,
time, and
yes.
then you done the switch, and then you got this role
Yes.
from 7 years. Nice. Okay, fine. Thank you.